Hi, today All Toy Collector is going to show you this really neat Barbie and Kelly Fun Time McDonald's playset. This toy is from $19.99, so you can only get it on Amazon or eBay. The back of the box says that Barbie has a new job at McDonald's, and Kelly, Barbie's little sister, loves to visit her there while she works. The back of the box also has this cute little maze with all of these different McDonald's characters. Let's look what came in this box. There's a Barbie doll and Kelly. There's also this tray with a kids meal, hamburger, french fries, and drink. And there's a cash register. Right next to the Kelly doll, there's a brown McDonald's bag too. There's also a big comb. This toy also came with some play money. Here's Kelly and some of the other accessories out of the box. Look at Kelly's cute shirt. It has the McDonald's arch all over it, and hamburgers and french fries. It is so adorable, and it's just so sweet that this Kelly doll is wearing this McDonald's shirt because her older sister works at McDonald's. Now let's take a closer look at the accessories. Here's the brown paper bag that came with this set, and then there's the cash register. This cash register sure has a lot of zeros on it. 5 pieces of money came in this set, but the cash register does not open, so you cannot put the money inside it. And then here's this tray with a kids meal on it. I like how this kids meal has this kids cup with Ronald McDonald on it, and I think that this Happy Meals box is really cool. You know what my favorite thing about this Happy Meal tray is that it can connect to Barbie's arm, so then Barbie can deliver the food. Look, here's Barbie delivering a Happy Meal to her little sister. Isn't that sweet? Actually, on second thought, Barbie should not deliver the Happy Meal to Kelly right now. Kelly is sitting on the counter and she could fall off the counter easily. So Kelly's going to sit right here at the McDonald's table. Now let's get a closer look at this McDonald's Barbie doll. Look at her, she has red earrings, and she also has this McDonald's hat. Barbie has long blonde hair, and do you see that little crimp in her hair? That's from the box. Fortunately, this toy came with this ginormous hairbrush. I don't think I've ever seen a Barbie brush this big. Look, it's even bigger than her head. It's just amazing. But you can tell that it's actually not even combing out that big crimp in her hair. Oh well. So you know what? My favorite thing about this Barbie doll is this McDonald's apron. Do you see? There's 3 pockets and you can actually put things in the pockets. I put $2 bills in the pockets and then the spatula. My second favorite thing are these cool red shoes. They will remind me of it. Ronald McDonald's clown shoes. Barbie's McDonald's outfit definitely looks like what you would see when you went to McDonald's. And another cool thing is that this apron is removable. We can untie it and then Barbie can hang it up over here in this hook back here. Barbie can leave her apron at work when she's finished working for the day. Then Barbie can pick up her little sister Kelly and go back home together. I rate these $19.99 Barbie and Kelly dolls a 5 out of 5. I love their outfits. They are perfect with this McDonald's playset I already owned. And I also loved all the accessories that came with this set. If you like this Barbie and Kelly McDonald's set, please click like and also write down in the comment section if you like the Barbie doll or the Kelly doll more. Thanks for watching, and please click on the middle of the screen to watch my video where Barbie runs a surf and surf shop. Also, please tell all your friends about my channel. Thank you!